here we are. Time to do some swatching. Sorry about the voice, I am a little sick. Hi, this pen is made out of recycled plastic bottles. I appreciate that. This pencil has a triangle shape. This is surprisingly soft, actually. I'm a little surprised. What am I supposed to do with this? How am I supposed to write? I mean, it says it's decorative, or decor glitter. Giotto. Wait. I don't know how this paper's gonna handle this. Oh my god, this is annoying. Wait, is it glue? No. Giotto. And just last one. Yep, last letter. There we go. Damn. I mean, it sparkles. That's gonna take a while to dry. It slides well across the paper, actually. Sharpies isn't really a big thing here, but it's like a big thing in America, isn't it? I've never tried a Sharpie before, this is the first time. We'll see how it goes. And then the last supply is this sharpener, so I guess... yeah, it works on this. This is a M&R sharpener made in Germany. Let's look at the back. Yeah, the Sharpie will go through if I layer it. Same with the highlighter and also the calligraphy pen. The glue warped the paper a lot, or well, it's not glue, it's like glitter decor, I guess. And this paper doesn't handle pens very well, like ballpoint pens, as we have established from the first week. My impression of this so far is that it's more suitable for maybe scrapbooking, bullet journaling, or just regular school supplies. Not necessarily for an actual artist. For a beginner, you know, it's exciting. You get to try different things. You get to see if, you know, do you like colored pencils more? Do you like Sharpies more? Do you like calligraphy? You know, glitter? You get the chance to try. The one thing I'm most disappointed in is the paper, because it doesn't handle the things that they put in here very well. This paper is more for sketching, like a light pencil sketching. Perhaps also, yeah, it handles the colored pencil very well, so like sketching in just color pencils, I guess. Also, it handles the Sakura Pigma pen very well, seeing as how thin it is. I don't have an eraser. Maybe some funny beard stuff. I'm very bad at drawing, man. I'm trying to get better. I mean, it's a good little, it's a good sharpener. I just don't like the sharpeners that are loose like this, because then I have to have it over the trash can. It's a little far away from here. I made the torso way too big.
this sketching style, but I went a little overboard down here. Made it a little too harsh. The line's too harsh. So I'm coloring it like this, just to get the shapes in, just to see the shape of the actual torso. That really helps. The paper is really buckling in this under this highlighter. Beard. I'm inspired from Cowboy Bebop, the anime, not the live action. It's really nice, creamy and soft, this colored pencil. I'm positively surprised. Usually I wouldn't get Lyra brand stuff. Maybe that's something I should start doing. Not that I use colored pencils all that much, but it's nice to accent my... when you use alcohol markers, it's nice to accent with colored pencils. I'm doing. Something. has officially teared the petal. pen. Okay, so my verdict on this is that, yeah, once again, the paper is not suited for this. As you can see, it's escaping. Ooh, the glitter thing hasn't dried yet. Ah, but this is good news. None of the supplies has gone through to the next page. Oh no, wait, never mind. Okay, so I took this out to swatch my glitter thing on, and as you can see, the Sharpie has gone through the paper to the next page. Oh, and some of the black, the calligraphy pen, has gone through. Other than that, fine. There's tangent here. That's awful. Yeah, I'm not gonna spend more time on this, so this is what I got. Hope you enjoyed the video, and the calendar, if you have the calendar. I would love to hear what kind of colors you got on these supplies. And maybe what you made. Thank you for watching.